And yeah, Coach, congratulations. What a wild finish to the game. Nung third quarter, medyo nagka-problema kayo, Aaron. Didn't score a basket, pero chinaga nyo, Coach. Just talk about what you saw, especially in that fourth quarter from your players.
Magandang ano, no, maganda yung laban. Magandang experience para sa mga bata na natututo silang manalo sa mahigpitang laban. No? So sa amin napakahalaga ng experience na yun. Natututo sila. Medyo nag-worry ako noong time na yun kasi hirap kaming pasahan ng bola sa ilalim si Aaron eh, no. Medyo na-anticipate na nila tapos daming turnovers. Hirap kaming mabigyan siya ng bola. At the same time, yung 3-point shooting namin medyo mababa yung percentage. So, kahit na-open kami minsan pagka kick out ng bola, good looks na eh, hindi pumapasok. No? Pero, yun, tinaga namin, naging agresibo kami going to the basket. We got to the free throw line. Tapos, yun nga, decided by one play lang naman to, one possession, no, that last possession. So wala kang pwedeng ipintas doon sa laro ng ng Magnolia, lumaban din sila. No, kaya lang naswertihan namin yung huling play.